This is Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily, your online audio and visual first communication highlighting items of interest to the math biology community for the Society for Mathematical Biology. Welcome to the SMB Digest podcast. The SMB Digest podcast provides an audio and visual review of the week for SMB Digest by combining the week's SMB Digest dailies into a single broadcast. At this time, we are using the same intro and outro as SMB Digest. Welcome to SMB Digest, What's New in the Queue for August 7th, where we display the newest advertisements to appear in the next SMB Digest. Please note that the intro and outro will soon be changed from the old SMB Digest daily intro and outro. Today we have two advertisements. There's a postdoctoral position at the University of Idaho in the United States. The postdoc will develop and analyze mathematical models on the epidemiology and evolution of transmissible vaccines, as well as develop statistical tools for estimating key parameters from experimental data. To apply, email a CV and the names and contact information of three references to Scott Newsmer and Chris Remian at SNUISMER@uidaho.edu and at CREMIEN@uidaho.edu. Review of applications will begin immediately and continue until the position is filled. There's a new NSF program solicitation titled Convergent Accelerated Discovery Foundries for Quantum Materials Science, Engineering, and Information. For details, please visit nsf.gov and look for either Program ID number 505504 or solicitation number 18-578. The deadline for the required letter of intent is September 17th, while the full proposal deadline is November 5th. Lastly, the SMB Digest What's New in the Queue is updated preferably once per day at smb.org/Q. Welcome to SMB Digest What's New in the Queue for August 8th, where we display the newest advertisements to appear in the next SMB Digest. Please note that the intro and outro will soon be changed from the old SMB Digest daily intro and outro. Today we have two advertisements. The National Institute for Mathematical and Biological Synthesis will host the 10th Annual Undergraduate Research Conference at the Interface of Mathematics and Biology on October 27th and 28th at the University of Tennessee Conference Center in Knoxville, Tennessee. Student talks and posters will be featured, as well as a plenary speaker, a panel on career opportunities, a graduate school showcase, and other networking opportunities. The deadline to request funding for the cost of registration, lodging, and travel is September 10th. The deadline for conference registration is October 5th. For more information, go to nimbus.org/education/undergrad_comp2018. A well-funded PhD position in whole-cell modeling is available for an immediate start in the School of Biological Sciences at the University of Edinburgh. A successful student will work with Peter Swain to study translation and growth in budding yeast within SynCrop, a Marie Curie network. Applicants must have modeling experience, be EU citizens, and not currently be resident in the UK. Please contact peter.swain@ed.ac.uk if interested. Lastly, the SMB Digest What's New in the Queue is updated preferably once per day at smb.org/Q. Welcome to SMB Digest What's New in the Queue for August 9th, where we display the newest advertisements to appear in the next SMB Digest. Please note that the intro and outro will soon be changed from the old SMB Digest daily intro and outro. Today we have two advertisements. Dr. Timothy W. Seckham of the University of Arizona is seeking a postdoctoral research associate to conduct theoretical research on the microcirculation using mathematical and computational techniques. The research will be on blood flow and oxygen transport, including flow regulation, structural adaptation of blood vessels, and angiogenesis. Application should be submitted at uacareers.com, searching for posting number P20619. Applicants should include a letter of interest and CV, including names and contact information of three references. For further information, please see physiology.arizona.edu/people/secum or email at secum@u.arizona.edu. There's a fellowship position in predictive modeling for future food at the University of Nottingham. The Future Food Beacon of Excellence addresses the challenge of feeding a growing population in a changing world. The fellow in predictive modeling for future food will develop mathematical, statistical, and/or computational modeling approaches for food systems that enable prediction of outcomes for proposed interventions, new understanding and identification of novel strategies for agricultural resistance and enhanced nutrition. Informal inquiries may be addressed to the Future Food Beacon of Excellence at future-food@nottingham.ac.uk. To apply, please send your 2-page CV, 1-page cover letter, and a 1-page summary of your research proposal to future-food@nottingham.ac.uk by the 31st of August. Lastly, the SMB Digest What's New in the Queue is updated preferably once per day at smb.org/Q.
Welcome to SMB Digest Deadlines for the week of August 13th. This is the list of deadlines for the week that have appeared in or associated with an SMB Digest advertisement. Please note that the intro and outro will soon be changed from the old SMB Digest daily intro and outro. This week we have 6 deadlines. The abstract deadline for the symposium on From Rare to Care, Discovery, Modeling, and Translation of Rare Diseases is August 13th. The conference is November 11th through the 14th in Vienna, Austria. More information about the conference and all Keystone Symposia can be found at KeystoneSymposia, that's all one word, .org. The deadline for submission of extended abstracts from the Center of Mathematical Research in Barcelona on Theory and Applications of Multi-Scale Systems is August 15th. The extended abstracts of presentations, which can be up to 4 pages, will be published in the CRM Extended Conference Abstract Series. The mini-symposium proposal deadline for the SIAM Conference on Computational Science and Engineering has been extended to August 15th. The conference is February 25th through March 1st in Spokane, Washington. For more information, go to siam.org/conferences and search for CSE 19. The SIAM Conference on Mathematics of Planet Earth pre-registration deadline is August 16th. The conference is September 13th through the 15th in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. For more information, go to siam.org/conferences and search for MPE 18. Nominations for the Intercollegiate Biomathematics Alliance Distinguished Senior and Junior Fellowships will be accepted until August 17th. For more information on these awards, go to about.illinoisstate.edu/IDA/pages and click on IBA Distinguished Fellowships. The deadline for a Marie Curie Early Stage PhD researcher in theoretical immunology at Utrecht University in the Netherlands is August 18th. The position is for someone with a keen interest in combining bioinformatics and mathematical modeling within immunology. The main goal is to determine in which tissue T-cell memory is maintained, by which subsets of memory T cells, how long these cells live, and where most of them are produced. Please send your CV along with a cover letter outlining your specific qualifications and motivation for the position, including contact information for at least one reference, to Professor Dr. Rob J. DeBoer at r.j.deboer@uu.nl. Lastly, keep up with all the SMB Digest deadlines at smb.org/deadline.
This has been Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily for the Society for Mathematical Biology and SMB Digest.